What's up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video here on the Cuspide Insurance YouTube channel. My name is Carlos. I am a licensed life and health insurance agent, and today we are going to talk about different health insurance tiers. So bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. What does that all mean? What's the difference? Let's talk about it. Alright, so first of all, if you're watching this video and you've seen some other ones, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. So let's start with the video. Bronze tier, silver tier, gold tier, and platinum tier. These are all the tiers that are offered inside the health insurance marketplace. So when you go look for a plan, you could have a bronze plan, your cousin can have a silver plan, and your mother could have a gold plan. So it's all different. They all have different prices and they all have different co-pays and all that. So we're gonna get into it. So really quick, on the screen here is a little bit of a chart from Cuspide Insurance that we made over at our website. That you can see kind of the difference. So obviously the bronze is the cheapest and the platinum is the most expensive. So to sum it up, it doesn't need to be complicated. It's actually very simple. The bronze plan, you're gonna have to pay a low monthly cost, right? It's barely gonna cost anything, but when it's time to go to the doctor, you're gonna have the highest deductibles, the highest co-pays, etc., etc. Like when it's time to go to the doctor with a bronze plan, expect to pay up, right? So people usually get it, just in case something happens, right? They don't really need coverage, but you do need it at some point because something could sneak up on you. So it's better to have something than to have nothing. So that's why a bronze plan is usually picked, or it's just the cheapest option for them and they have to do that, or if not, they end up paying a lot. So the silver plan is the most popular in the marketplace. This is what usually everyone gets. Now, if you make too much, you won't get a silver plan because it's just not good. So a silver plan is the best. It strikes a balance between the monthly cost and the co-pays, the out-of-pocket, the deductibles. So you're paying pretty decent, right? It's not too expensive, it's not too cheap, but when it's time to go to the doctor, it's all fair, right? You have decent co-pays and deductibles. So this is why this is the most popular, and also why it's the most popular is because it has extra cost savings. So depending on the closer you are to the income to qualify, it's actually going to give you a little bit more savings, a little bit more tax credit to help you pay for your plan, which makes the silver plan the best because you're getting a little extra help, which means that it's going to be cheaper for you. So that's why the silver plan is often the most picked and the most looked out after. Now the gold and platinum are kind of the same. Obviously the platinum offers it's the most expensive, but when it's time to go to the doctor, you won't really have to pay much. All the co-pays, for example, like a primary doctor visit, specialist visit, the out-of-pocket, it's all going to be low. Same for the gold, just not as much as the platinum. So now, which one works best for you? It all depends on your circumstances and on your needs. So it all depends on your age, income, where you're based at. So all these different factors go into the plan, but mainly income. So if you're at a decent, average income, then silver plan is probably going to be your best option. Now, if you're like at a really high income, then a bronze plan might be best, right? Like a bronze EPO, for example, because you can find some with low coverage, like a zero deductible, which is my favorite. So I always try to get my clients into a zero deductible plan, even if they have to pay a little extra, just because I know how annoying a deductible could be, and like it's just very like in the way. So a bronze plan might be good for someone making too much, right? Or a gold plan, right? If you really want to like spend a little more. And if you're making too little, then with the extra cost saving options, the closer you are to the 100% federal poverty level, then I think still the silver plans are going to be your best bet because of the extra cost saving options that they have built into them. So that's pretty much the difference between all the plans. You could choose from whichever one you want. But again, silver plan is probably the most picked and the best option. So thank you all so much for watching. If you live in any of these states and you don't have coverage, or you know someone who doesn't have coverage, or you want to renew, want to make any changes, just call the number on the screen, 305-970-8583. I will help out you and your family get the coverage that you deserve. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care, everybody. I will see you all in another video. Bye-bye.